Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to enable watch history on YouTube. Log into your Google account. Go to myactivity.google.com. Click on YouTube History. Make sure YouTube History is turned on. Now under Sub Settings, check the box next to Include YouTube videos that you watch. Click on Turn on. Setting is turned on. Click OK to close the dialog box. That's it, watch history is turned on. This is how you can enable watch history on YouTube. Thank you for watching.